Here's a mistake that I see almost every artist making. That is trying to be an artist by yourself. I know it seems like it should be like that because as artists, we do spend a lot of time by ourselves, sitting alone in our studio, working on our pieces, and sometimes for very, very long periods of time. But inevitably, you will get stuck and frustrated and feel like you don't know what to do next. I'm the artist I am today because of so many other artists who I'm so grateful who helped me out when I was having a crisis, which seems to happen pretty often when I just have no idea what to do next. And I know without that community, I probably would have given up at certain times along the way. I've talked to so many artists who tell me, well, shouldn't I be able to figure this out on my own? I'm like, no, I don't think I know anybody who can do that. I mean, certainly there is some value when you're troubleshooting and experimenting and do all these different things. That's valuable, but there are some things you really just cannot learn or fix by yourself. The biggest mistake is when we don't ask. And I get it. It's sometimes really intimidating to ask somebody for something, especially if you don't know them very well. But I can tell you that we're here at Art Prof to answer those questions. We're here to lift you up and help direct you into a place that will get you unstuck. I understand how intimidating that can be to join an online art community. Our Discord is heavily moderated. We've got an amazing team who are basically there all the time to help you out. I've had some people tell me that they come into our Discord, they feel very overwhelmed by how much is in there. I understand that, but really, you just gotta ask. Come into any channel and just say, hey, where do I find this? Or you can say, I'm having this problem, and we will help you out. That's the thing is I think sometimes, again, we feel like we should have to do that by ourselves. But actually trying to ask, sometimes that is the hurdle that people have to get over, and it's really hard. But I think you guys will find you ask one question in our Discord, you're gonna get a reply because we work really hard to make sure everybody's seen. I know sometimes messages can get skipped, in which case we tell people to alert a moderator so that way we can spend time with you. Don't be afraid to ask. And you know something? I really hope you don't see me as cold calling a total stranger. I love our community and it's just my favorite thing to interact with all of you. So come to our Discord, just ask. Our Discord is free to join. Certainly we have areas like Art Club and the workshops where you do pay a fee, but just come hang out with us. It's really, really fun.